In this video, we are going to see the basic structure of accounting information system. Then what is accounting information system? The use of information and technology in accounting we just call here accounting information system. In the same way, it's a structure in which business uses to collect, store, manage, process, retrieve, fetch and report its financial data so that it can be used by consultants, business analysts, managers, auditors, etc. The structure of computerized accounting information system consists of following sections: input, process, output and storage. Then here we can see the picture of structure of computerized accounting information system. Let's see the first one, input. The input section is responsible for receiving financial data or accounting data and inventory data from the user. In the same way, this particular section also ensures that relevant accounting data has to enter in AIS, that is Accounting Information System, so that it avoids unnecessary and duplicate entry into the system. This tells that under this system, a firm need not post its data more than once. The system automatically generates many reports with the single entries. Hence, there is no duplication of data. Before I just proceed with process or process section, in case of input section, daily transactions. Transaction indicates here what? It can be of accounting or it can be of inventory. Before we go for recording the transaction, understand the transaction, analyze the transaction, check whether it belongs to accounting or inventory. Later, record the transaction in the respective voucher. Then what is voucher? Voucher is a place where we go for recording the transaction. Before we go for recording the transactions, we have to create the masters. It can be relating with accounting or it can be relating with inventory. Suppose in case of accounting, we have to go for creation of groups, ledger accounts or account heads. Whereas in case of inventory, we go for creation of stock category, stock group, stock item, units of measure, etc. I have just mentioned masters. Masters are nothing but heads, which may belong to accounting or inventory. Before we go for recording a transaction in the accounting voucher or inventory voucher, these heads are to be created. If it is already created, it is not required that again and again we have to go for creating the heads, because system will not accept the repeated or duplicate heads or the masters. Now coming to the process section. Process indicates here the transformation where we can convert input data into useful form. Useful form is nothing but information which is suitable for reporting. Whereas in accounting information system, the processing is based on double entry system. The section processes data using different modules like accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, inventory management, billing, budget, taxation, purchase order, sales order, bookkeeping, electronic payment processing, etc. Accounting software consists of various modules where different sections deal with particular areas of accounting. Let's take the module Accounts Receivable, where company enters money received. Coming with Accounts Payable, where company enters its bills and pays money it owes. Let's take here Purchase Order, where company orders inventory. Sales Order, where company records customer's order for the supply of inventory. Billing, where company produces invoices to the clients or customer. In case of payroll module, where the company tracks salary, wages and related taxes. Coming with reports module, where the company prints out data. Coming with expense module, where employee business related expenses are entered. This section ensures that data is processed. Accordingly, accounting information is generated. Then coming with the storage section. Storage, even we just call this one as a support section because it is responsible for storage of financial data, accounting data, inventory data, semi-processed data and processed financial information. This particular section stores large amount of company's financial information. Now coming to the last section, that is output section. This particular section provides various kinds of financial reports like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance, salary statement, budget report, budget variance report, ratio analysis, stock summary, purchase order, sales order, etc. It also contains user interface through which user can see the reports. In this section, user cannot do any type of changes or modifications or correction. If they have to do any correction, in that case they have to go back to the transaction. They have to go back to the respective voucher, make the correction and save it. Suppose if they have to do any changes in the opening entries of a particular ledger account or the account heads, in that case they have to go back to the masters. Because in case of output section, they can display and then take the printouts. Corrections, changes, modifications are not allowed in the output section. This section also ensures that financial statements are displayed in proper format and printing of reports is facilitated as per the statutory needs. This is all about the structure of computerized accounting information system. Thank you. Have a nice day. In the next video, we are going to see the last topic of module 1, that is difference between manual and computerized accounting information system.